Let's take a look at this nature power soap. This has a papaya aura. This is a soap made out of papaya, something you don't see every day. Costs around 30 rupees. Nature power papaya aura beauty soap gives skin a healthy sheen by nourishing it with the goodness of vitamin E. The skin vitamin keeps skin looking its best. That's the ingredient list. This is manufactured in India. So let's open and smell it. I wasn't expecting it to look like a papaya. Very interesting. So let's smell it. It smells really good, but I cannot smell any papaya smell in it. Maybe there might be a hint of papaya smell. A really interesting looking soap. Quite nice. Check it out.